Snoring almost did irreversible damage to my body. For years, I did nothing about my snoring. I would wake up feeling tired, my blood pressure was rising, and I was gaining weight uncontrollably. I visited my cardiologist, who warned me that it all traced back to my sleep. He recommended the Somnofit S from Snoreless Now. I was skeptical at first, but gave it a shot after the other snoring mouthpieces I found online were cheaply made and had tons of bad reviews. The first night I used it, my wife noticed an immediate difference in my snoring. I slept through the night, and so did she. After using it for 3 months, I'm getting the best sleep of my life, enjoying my health, and finally keeping up with my kids. You're doing yourself a disservice if you snore and haven't tried the Somnofit S.